Welcome to Sweden and Gothenburg. We are going to dine out today at Gothenburg Rock Cafe, and I'm really excited now because it's been a long time since I've been here the last time. So I want you to come inside and have some good food, because this is the rock city for sure. So come with me. Welcome inside to the Gothenburg Rock Cafe. We just ate a very wonderful nachos. Nachos was very lovely, and it's a very beautiful place here too. And now we're gonna enjoy the cool drink and a very cool barbecue burger. And we're gonna have a good time here in Gothenburg Rock Cafe, and I want to show you a little bit around this place. Rock on!